This is the Hello World Podcast. What's
So,
one thing that
very
you
important.
like most in the transformation journey?
So several things. I mean, seeing the actual results, like the actual KPIs and the business results, it showed that what we were doing was paying off. And you
Mhm.
saw more smiles in the hallway. You saw that people were being open. You saw much more collaboration. And this is something that I usually have. I would have coffee talks with my people on a monthly basis. And they always show appreciation that they like it, that I talk to them and I listen to them,
Mhm.
and that they felt that they were part of the journey. So they were taking ownership of the journey as well.
How did that transformation go?
To me, it was very important in the first 6 months of my move to show that I was there to listen. And this goes part to my leadership style, which is
Mhm.
you need to be a good communicator. So being a communicator, it goes two ways. One is having good listening skills, but at the same time, also being able to communicate your message to your people. So during the first 6 months, it was taking everything in, listening to all the feedback, and then skipping levels. You can't just speak to your one downs. You need to speak all the way down the line. And that's how I composed those copy sessions. So there were people in middle management, people from the senior team, but people all the way down to the newest hire in terms of clerical tasks in the office. And I gave all feedback equal importance. I showed the team that I would listen to their feedback and do something about it. I started gaining their trust. And to me, that was very important. So I was able to gain their trust. And I also showed them that I trusted them too. In which ways? Would listen to their opinions. Because for a very long time, many of the decisions were being made just from the top. My philosophy there is I don't want to have to make all the decisions for the team. So the reason why you're a senior manager there is so that you can make those decisions. So if I make all the decisions, then I don't need a senior manager. And sometimes you also need to allow them to make small mistakes. So yun, nakikita mo na that they might make a mistake, but you don't catch them. You let them make those mistakes. And those then become very teachable moments. They can be very powerful and profound experiences for those people. Of course, you need to weigh the risk. So the operative word there is small. And by giving them that trust, you also earn their trust even more. So that goes to another leadership style of mine, which is really trust and empowerment. During the first 6 months, I was listening, etc. You also mentioned it. At the same time, there were many other small things that I felt we could do already, which would have a profound impact already on the P&L of Bankcard. So, as I was doing these changes, I was gaining the trust of the team. They could also see the other KPIs improving. It was two-pronged. They could see the effects on the people side. They could see the effects on the P&L side. So the compounding effect was very positive in terms of gaining the trust of the team.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.